Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy that you stopped by. I'm excited because today is National Nacho Day, and I'm participating in a collaboration called Nacho Day 2022. This is definitely the day to celebrate everyone's favorite snack, the nacho. There's really no specific way to make nachos. You can make them any way you want as long as you have chips and as much cheese as you can eat. For this collaboration, I'm going outside the box a little bit. I'm making Buffalo Ranch chicken nachos. Yum. I knew I needed Frank's Red Hot for this, and I needed to go to the grocery store to get it. And when I went, I came across this. This is a Frank's Red Hot thick sauce, and it's Buffalo Ranch. This is exactly what I need. So let's get started and make these nachos. The first thing we'll need is 2 cups of chopped up chicken, and I obviously did this in advance. And this is a 1/2 cup of that Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch. And we're gonna pour that in here and mix it all around. Next, we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of blue cheese crumbles. These are easy to find in the grocery store. And 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. And we're going to whisk this around to kind of thicken it up a bit. I know. You see me with a different bowl and a bigger size whisk. In typical Wendy fashion, I underestimated how big a bowl I needed. But this is what you want to get from that heavy whipping cream and the blue cheese crumbles. It's a thick sauce, and that's exactly what you want. Now it's time to start assembling. This is about 7 cups, I would guess, of chips. It's enough to spread out on a large baking pan, and I've covered the pan in tin foil. That's for easier cleanup. And our first step in making these delicious nachos is spreading out the chicken that we prepared before. I think I got it spread out pretty nicely. And we're going to take some more of this Buffalo Ranch sauce from Frank's, and we're just going to drizzle it around. One other thing I did is I sliced up a large stalk of celery. Can't have Buffalo Ranch without some celery. So we're going to scatter the celery all over. Next, I have 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I found this at Trader Joe's. It's a very thick cheddar cheese. And here we have our blue cheese sauce that we made, and I'm just going to dollop it over the top of this. Wow, the taste is going to be pretty incredible, I think, when you think of the cheddar cheese, the Buffalo Ranch, and of course, some blue cheese, and the celery. Now that our nachos are fully assembled, we're going to bake them for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, here they are out of the oven. I can still hear them sizzling. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but oh, they smell amazing. Now I need to eat one to let you know how they turned out. I see one that is calling my name. It has a little bit of everything on it. Wow, were these good. I can't wait to plate up a bunch for myself because I'm hungry. Haven't had lunch today. But I get every flavor. I get the Buffalo Ranch, I get the cheddar, I get the blue cheese sauce. I even got a crunch of celery. So delicious. Thanks for joining me, everyone, on National Nacho Day as I prepared these nachos. I hope you try the recipe. And make sure you visit the other channels who participated in this collaboration by clicking on the link. I'll have it in the description. #NachoDay2022. And that way you'll be able to see what they all came up with. You can't have too many nacho recipes. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.